Guys, oh my god, are you seeing this? Me not lie, they look good. They look good. But taste is in the pudding. Me not tell no lie. The black pepper and salt chicken here tastes good. Guys, I always check my chicken for feathers. Just like this, you see this? Yeah man, you gotta get these off. This chicken is going to be seasoned only with black pepper and salt. I'm using sea salt. That means it's a lot of black pepper I'm gonna need. So I'm gonna start cracking them right now. My hand's slippery. Oh Jesus, me tired already. Woo. This is a workout, I swear. Wee, hi, he. Wee, hi, he. I honestly don't know how much black pepper. I'm just adding enough. I think this is enough. What do you think, guys? Want more? My hands are tired. Swear. My hands are really tired. Now I'm gonna add the salt. Let it marinate. It's the same thing I'm using in the flour mixture. Add some cornstarch as well. Scotch bonnet sauce, and I'm gonna dump some in there. Not too much because it's hella hot. So it's egg mixture. Guys, I don't know, but I always see my family cover the pot when they're frying chicken. So I'm gonna follow the trend. So guys, I'm frying the chicken on medium because the pot is very thin and I don't want them burning. So that's where we're at, medium. If you have a thicker pot, I would go up to a medium-high heat. But for now, they're looking great. I'm gonna keep it covered just the same and just keep watching them. This should take about 8 minutes to complete, and I'm turning them in between that time. They're looking looking good so far. They're just white. Okay guys, it has been 7 minutes. I think I'm gonna let them fry a little longer. One other thing that I notice my family does when frying chicken is to poke it with the fork, and this is gonna allow the inside of the chicken to cook thoroughly. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay guys, these are finished. They feel so light. They look great. So I'm adding them in a bowl with some paper towel. Them look good, not you? Yeah, man. Them chicken wing look good. I like it. Rice, the coconut, pineapple rice, or our pina colada rice. Gonna pour some of this nice avocado sauce. Get some of the juice all over this. Man, some red should be in this. And then we're gonna put the chicken right on top of it like so. Guys, I don't know about you, know, but me and the plate in enough, friend. I know say me are going to enjoy this. I don't even think I want no sauce for the chicken. I swear it's good by itself. Yeah, so I eat this.